Can you get 2 out of 5 of these nature questions? What is the biological process in which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. What separates a fruit from a vegetable? Fruits develop from a flower and has seeds. Which plant holds the record for the fastest growth rate? Bamboo. What is the highest altitude in which a plant can grow? Approximately 22,000 feet or 6,700 meters. What plant can survive extreme temperatures from -40 C to 49 C? Yucca, cassava. Like and subscribe.